What's up, guys? Make sure you check out my channel, Horsepower House. Got several hundred videos, over 2,000 videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motocross bikes, classic cars, old trucks, working around the house, all kinds of stuff. So please check out my channel, like, subscribe, follow. All right. Most of today's cars have the ignition switch is actually a button. So if yours, when you hit the start stop button, if you only hear a click every now and then, or it takes you several presses of it to make the vehicle start, it is most likely going to be your starter. Your starter is on its way out, or it has failed. So definitely check out that. No matter which make and model your car is, check the starter or have it properly diagnosed before you start throwing parts at it. You know, people start thinking, oh, I need to replace this button. No, that's possible, but not likely. So yeah, anytime you have a very tricky electrical issue, I recommend you take the car to a reputable shop and just pay the diagnostic fee and have them diagnose it for you. Now, you can choose if you want them to repair it or not, but at least you'll know exactly what's wrong, or at least the chances of it being the correct solution are much better if you take it to a professional shop for diagnosis. I know I'm the same way. I like working on my own cars and my motorcycles and whatnot, but you end up wasting a lot of time and money and frustration if you try to just throw parts at it and hope that fixes it. I know, believe me, I know. But I also see many people coming to our shop in I work for a auto repair shop in Canton, Georgia. A lot of people just bring their car to us so that we can diagnose it, and then they will take the car home and fix it themselves. I think that's brilliant, actually, because most shops, it may only be $150 or so for a diagnostic fee. Do it. Save your life. Anyway, that's it. Check the starter if your start stop button only sort of works. And this is a 2017 Dodge Durango RT, 118,000 miles on it. Runs very well. I enjoy it very much. Got other videos on this car on my channel, so check for the just search my channel for Dodge Durango and you'll find all kinds of videos of stuff we've done to it, upgrades and fixes and things. So check it out. Heading to the track to go riding today. So y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.